I apologize for the quality of this video. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just trying to help anybody work a code P0453 on a 2006-2011 Honda Civic fuel tank pressure sensor. The fuel tank pressure sensor is mounted on the EVAC canister, which is accessed from underneath the car just forward of the fuel tank. You do have to remove a plastic shroud, which is held on by a couple of bumper clips. You don't have to take off the whole shroud to drop the EVAC canister, but you do have to drop the EVAC canister. You can't just pull out the fuel tank pressure sensor because the clips have a little notch and you can't get to the notch to spread it to remove the fuel tank pressure sensor. So save yourself the headache, pull the 3 bolts, remove the canister, and you can access it fairly easily. The hole in the canister is where the fuel tank pressure sensor slides into, and the clip slides in like slow. And it catches on these tabs in the back. And when it's on the car, you just can't access it. Hope I saved somebody a headache, because I couldn't find this video on YouTube and it drove me nuts, but I finally figured it out. Good luck with your repair work.